The next step for a teacher is to create a group to add the students to, so it's easy for them to receive an assignment and also turn it back into you. I'm going to select my Fayetteville Manlius Central School District tab on the left-hand side. I'm then going to go to Groups. Under Groups, if you are set up as a teacher, you'll see you can scroll down to the bottom and create a group. Now that we have created the group, we're able to join the students to this particular group, so it's easy for us to be able to make an assignment and share it with all the students quickly. Type the student's name in here. You can continue to type names and then add to group. Now that we have added all of the students, you'll notice as we scroll down, it'll tell us who the administrator is and that the students are now members of this particular group. So now we're ready to share an assignment with the students. I'm going to start off with a template, and I'm going to search for the design, and I'm going to type in timeline because I know I'm going to want to create a timeline with the students. As you can see, there are several templates that have already been generated or created. When you find the template that you want, double click on it and it will open. So to begin, I'm going to make my title a little bit more generic so that I can have the students select the topic. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Here is my zoom at the bottom. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. I now can modify the title and all of the content so that I can share this as a template. Now that I have changed the title, I'm going to modify the picture. So I'm going to right click and go to Detach Image, and I can delete that picture. That leaves an image placeholder. I then will also go in and modify the date and also the information. Once I have all the information set up so it's generic enough to use as a template, it's time to share it with the students. Now that I have modified my template and I'm ready to assign it to the students, I'm going to go to the upper right corner where the three dots are, and then I'm going to go to Make an Assignment. And I'm going to assign this via Canva. And this is going to be creating a new design for each student, which is what I would like. I can give the students some directions. And once you've assigned it through Canva, each student gets their own copy. We're going to say Next. And now what we're able to do is to assign it to the group. And so I named this particular group Miss Palumba. So I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to say Publish. And when I do that, each student will receive the assignment. And when they open it up, it will be their own version of this particular template. So that's how you're able to assign using the group feature so that each student automatically gets a copy of this. The students, when you assign it this way, will also be able to turn it back into you.